Hi students! Today I want to show you Canvas. After you find Canvas on your computer, you will come to the dashboard. The dashboard has all your classes for this quarter. For me, I have 4 classes listed on my dashboard. This is the important card here, or class on Canvas. This is our level 20 hybrid class. Winter 2022, and this is our class number, ELA 203179. That's our class number. Click on that card or class, and you will come to the first page, the home page. And here is a message from me. My name is Shauna Arnault. I'm your level 20 teacher for winter quarter. So for the first week, January 3rd to 7th, our class is online. We will not meet at the college, okay? We will have Zoom classes on Monday at 9:30 and Wednesday at 9:30. Please click this link. Do you see the link, the blue word? So click on that Monday morning at 9:30 and you will get to the Zoom class. And it's the same link for Wednesday. Now, when you are ready to do your Canvas work, please click on this link. All right, and it will be very important to do the Canvas work every week. Click on there to get to the module page. Okay, now this is the module page. Here, do you see the box? This is called a module. This is our introduction module. And in this introduction module, there are 4 pages. Do you see the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is called a page. Each of these is a page. Okay, so always start at the top. When you see this little hand here and the underlined words, please click on there. You could click on here. Do you see the arrow? This means you're collapsing, just to make it neat. Click on it again to expand the pages. So you want to see the pages, so make sure the arrow is down. Now click on this first page. It says, "Welcome to Hybrid ELA 20. Please read." This is all a little bit of information about the winter quarter. Okay, this is how you can communicate with me. This is how you can contact me. You can send me an email. You can send me an email in Canvas. I hope to get everybody onto the Remind texting app on your cell phone. I hope you saw my Remind invitation and typed in YES for yes. All right, and now when you finished reading, do you see the next button here? It's hard to see, but click on there to get to the next page. Do you see number 2? Let me show you again. So let's go back to the home module page. There are 4 pages. So I just showed you how to get to number 2, the video, okay? This video is 8 minutes and 7 seconds long, and it's called How to Use Canvas. Okay, please read this part here. And when you are ready to watch the video, click on this link here. And this video, again, is 8 minutes and 7 seconds long. Here is the video. Hi, students. And you're just going to click on play. You see the arrow, click there to play. Now for videos, you can find the captions, okay? Do you see the words here? We call those captions. You can click on those to turn off the captions. Click on there again to turn them on so that you can read. All right, and now when you finish watching this video after 8 minutes, you want to go back. At the top of your screen, there should be a little back arrow to get back to this page, and then go ahead and click on the next button at the bottom right. And now page number 3 is titled Read Class Syllabus. Syllabus means our class plan for winter 2022. So whenever you see blue words here, That's a link. You can always click the link to get to the next information. This is our class syllabus. You can read it if you want. We have book information here. There are 2 books for you to buy if you don't have them. At the bottom of the syllabus are important dates. Okay, so here are some important dates you might want to look at. Okay, and to get back to the home page, again, go to the top left and go to the back arrow to go here, and you can click on this next button to go to page number 3. Oh, we finished that one. You can click next. And this is another video on how to use the Canvas inbox to send a message to your teacher. This video is 2 minutes and 42 seconds long. You can click on this arrow to start. Okay, and again, let's go back. You can always go back home. Do you see this navigation bar over here? Go home to the first page. And again, you can click on this link to go to the module pages there. Okay, that's what I want to show you today. I will show you more later. Thanks, everybody.